Okay, and today we're gonna make some ASCII art. I think I have the idea of a building. Okay. I think I have an idea. What pixel I gonna choose? There was a pixel 1, pixel 2, pixel 3, and pixel. I think the building is needed the pixel 1 because the building is cube or rectangle. So let's program using the pixel 4. I'm gonna try the pixel 4 before the pixel 1. Okay, it's nice. Yeah, the pixel 1 is more nicer. Let's program now with pixel 1. I want to try, I want to choose the pixel 1. That I'm checking. Yeah, did that we finally have the program to create the square. So I need a taller building. So space, I need a taller building. So let's program again. That we're gonna repeat it. Okay, there was a problem because that was a long platform. We're gonna remove the platform there. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I added the plus 1. We're gonna remove the plus 1. There is a building. ASCII art. This code is very simple to make. Is beginner friendly. If you're a beginner, you could copy this code. It's in the description. You can see the ASCII art. It's very cool, and I wanna see what's Google created, because Google creates this ASCII art. Is a circle. Just type in Google. See that it uses square root in radius. What I created in Google. Pretty nice. Pretty nice little building. I'm gonna create even more cooler ASCII art code for the next video. See you next time. If I have a time coding, because I'm only a beginner. Bye.